Hi there, this is Dr. Friesen, and this tutorial will guide you in how to conduct a chi-square test of independence. As you recall, a chi-square test of independence helps you to discern if there is an association between two sets of nominal variables. Each of the nominal variables have to have at least two categories, and in this case, I have younger voters and older voters here, and as you note, it is a nominal variable. And here I have the candidates that they have voted for: Smith, Jones, and undecided. And again, this variable is nominal. This variable happens to have three categories. This particular variable has two categories. So let's take a look. To conduct a chi-square test of independence, you first need to press Analyze, then Descriptive Statistics, then go down to Cross Tabs. Here you have your two variables on the side. I'm going to put age in row and vote in column. As long as you put them in separate categories, it won't really make a difference. I do want you to click Display Clustered Bar Charts. This will help you analyze and understand your output better. Next, you'll press Statistics, and here's where you're going to check the chi-square box for this particular test. Press Continue, and then you will click under Cells, and Observed is automatically the default. I recommend you also click Expected, as that will help you interpret your findings. Press Continue. And now press OK. In your output, you will get two tables here. One is the table that highlights the age of your participants, and here I have my two nominal variable categories of voters. Younger voters here, older voters here, and here are the candidates that they could vote for: Smith, Jones, and undecided. Down here is a helpful table. This table will help you discern if there is a relationship or not. This will also as well. So right here, the first thing I always check is this table, the chi-squares test table. And here I want to check this particular value. If this value is below 0.05, it indicates that there is an association between the variables. However, in this case, it is well above 0.05, and that then thus gives me a low chi-square of independence here. It is 0.46, and my p-value is 0.80. So that's well above 0.05. So that will tell us, we go look at our chart here, and you can see that the proportions of voters, let's see, younger voters voted for Smith here in blue, and about an equal number of voters, of older voters in proportion, voted for Smith as well. And as you can see, those that voted for Jones in both groups is proportional to each other. So even though there's a smaller number of individuals in the younger voters group, it tells you right here that you can see that these columns are actually in the same proportion. Your blue and your blue, your green, and your maroon are fairly close in balance. Ultimately, though, it will be this value right here and this value right here that tells you with certainty that there is no relationship or association between the participant's age and their voter choice. It looks like they vote for candidates in equal ratios in both groups.